In this lesson, we will be looking at adding integers with the same sign, and we're going to model this by using counters. Let's take a look at these counters. They're going to be red and yellow, and the red we're going to consider a negative, and the yellow we will consider a positive. So with the one red counter, it's a value of -1, and the one yellow is a value of +1. Now down here in the bottom left, you see two red counters, so the value there is going to be a -2. And in the bottom right, you see three yellow counters, so that's going to be a value of 3. Now let's take a look at a real-world situation and see how we could model that using counters. It says that the running back gained 3 yards on first down and then ran for 6 more yards the next play. So why don't we pause the video here and see if you can model this situation using your counters. Okay, if we're going to model this situation, we need to first understand some key words. It says that the running back gained 3 yards, so I'm going to highlight the word gained. Gained is a word that is represented with a positive. So this running back gained 3 yards on first down and then ran for 6 more yards the next play. So I'm going to highlight or circle the word more. More is another word that also means positive. So here basically we have two positive integers that we need to represent in our model. So let's take a look at what that would look like. So here's our model. We first represent the 3 yards that were gained by the running back on the first down, and then 6 more that he gained on the next play. And if we were to write the math expression for that, it's real simple. It's 3 plus 6. Okay, let's take a look at another example that's a little bit different. It says that a fish is swimming at 3 feet below the surface of the water and then dives 10 feet down to escape a predator. So again, let's pause the video and let you use your counters to see if you can model this situation. So in this situation, we needed to model some keywords. We had a fish that is swimming at least 3 feet below the surface of the water and then dives 10 feet down to escape a predator. Both of these words, below and down, would represent words that would be represented with negatives. The word dives as well would be down. You dive down, so that would also be negative. So real simple, we can represent this situation with 3 negative counters and for the current location of the fish, and then as it dives 10 feet below, we would need 10 more negatives. So this one would look like -3 plus -10. And when you add those up, of course, you're seeing 13 red counters, so it is -13.